Have you ever thought about how gadgets are changing the way kids learn today?
Oh yes, totally. It's amazing how even small kids can use tablet or phones for schoolwork now. But I'm not sure if it's always a good thing.
I think gadgets are really helpful in education. There are so many apps and online platforms that make learning fun and easy.
That's true, but sometimes kids just play games or watch unrelated videos instead of studying. It's so easy to get distracted.
I agree, but it depends on how teacher and parent guide them. If they use gadgets for the right purpose, like online classes or educational videos, it can improve their learning.
Maybe, but I've seen some students worry too much on gadget. They just copy answer from Google without really understanding the lesson.
Yes, that happens, but still, gadgets give access to so much information. In the past, we had to go to the library, but now everything is just one click away.
That's a good point. Save time and help kids learn independently. But I also worry that they might lose focus on critical thinking because they get answer too easily.
True, but if teachers encourage discussion and problem solving, gadgets can support that process. For example, kids can watch an experiment video and then try to explain what happens.
That's interesting. I think gadget can make lesson more interactive too, like using quizzes, videos, or virtual tours in class.
Exactly. Learning becomes more enjoyable when kids are interested. They remember things better.
But what about the downside? Staring at screen for too long is not healthy. It can cause eye strain or make them tired.
You're right. That's why there should be screen time limits. School and parents should make sure kids take breaks during online learning.
Also, not every student can afford gadget or have a good internet connection that create inequality in education.
That's a real issue. Some kids might get left behind. I think school should provide facilities or programs to help those students.
Yeah, like shared computer or community internet access that will be fairer.
And teachers should also be trained to use technology effectively. Some of them still struggle with online tools.
That's true. The pandemic showed us how important digital skills are, not only for students but also for the teacher too.
Exactly. So, gadgets are helpful in education when used properly, but harmful when there's no control or equal access.
I totally agree. It's all about balance and responsibility.
Yes, kids should learn that gadgets are tools for learning, not just for entertainment.
Right. Parents and teachers should guide them to ban gadget completely because technology is already part of our world.
Definitely, the key is how to use it wisely.
So in the end, gadget and kids in education helpful or harmful?
I'd say helpful as long as they're used the right way.
Yeah, I agree with you. When guided properly, gadgets can make education smarter and more creative.
Well said. Okay, let's finish this talk before we end up on our phones again.
That's good idea. Let's